My favorite thing about working at Paperless Parts is the people who I get to work with every day.
Everybody here cares about our own success, the success of our customers. They'll go above and beyond to help drive that mission.
They're awesome people. They make me laugh a ton of times a day, and not everyone can say that about their workplace.
Everybody shoulders responsibility. There's no bloat.
I think more and more over the last several years, the team has just gotten really good. And from where I sit, it's just fun watching people be really good at their jobs.
I derive an immense amount of pride in the fact that we are going to war for the people who make the physical world we live in a real thing.
There's a lot of talk in this country about getting more manufacturing happening in the United States. And there's a lot of facets to that problem and a lot of things that have to happen to create jobs here and have more things get manufactured locally. But a key part of it is the mission we're working on, which is creating technology that makes US manufacturers more accessible.
Being able to impact them, especially drive forward their workflow, their accuracy, their win rate, it's huge.
I'm working for a company that is solving real problems for real people, and those people are really happy that we're working with them, and that was a great feeling.
I do regularly hear things like I got to take a vacation finally, or I get to now have dinner with my wife, or I'm not drowning in this particular type of work.
One of our customers actually hugged me and said, like, you just made the best decision. You just joined the best company. This company has had such a dramatic impact on my shop and on our success, and I just couldn't do my job without you guys.
My favorite part of a typical workday would probably include playing with the office dog.
I love that people are doing things together. I love the energy in the office.
There's a strong culture of collaboration and relationship building here. When you run into people that you don't talk to all the time and get to know what they're up to, it's really fun. It keeps a pulse on the culture of the company. It keeps a pulse on what's going on, how people are feeling, and I feel like I've gotten most of my best ideas from the kitchen here.
We push each other and have fun while we're doing it.
I would describe the team at Paperless Parts probably in one word, and it's gritty. I mean, this team does not quit.
Every individual on the team has real impact on our product and what we're building here. So there's a huge opportunity to come in. You're gonna have ownership over what you're working on. You're gonna really make a difference. And if you don't do it, it's not gonna happen.
The mark of our success here is that we will have created and helped cultivate people that go on to make huge impacts. That'll be the thing that probably gives me the most pride of being a part of Paperless Parts, is getting to see what everybody goes on to do next and the impact that they make.
They're all smarter, funnier, and harder working than I am, which is just such a wonderful place to be. They're bar raisers. Every person you interact with just makes you want to come in with your A game, because you know if you don't, they're gonna call you out and they're gonna push you even harder.
I don't want people to come work for me at Paperless Parts. I want people to come work with me. We're a team here, and I think one of the main reasons people will enjoy working here and should come and want to work here is because this will be the type of place that years down the road in your career you reflect on, because of what you learned, because of the people you worked with, and the impact you made on an industry that desperately needs what we're providing.